Hey everyone, I'm Henry from Wondershare Virbo, and we're back with a very exciting topic. We're about to show you how to clone yourself into an AI avatar. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe to it right now and hit the bell icon so you stay updated with all our latest content. We've all seen how AI is becoming a part of our daily lives, especially in digital content. Many content creators are turning to AI avatars for making their videos. Here at Wondershare Virbo, we've taken this concept to a whole new level. Instead of using just any avatar, why not clone yourself into an AI avatar? That's right. In this video, we'll show you how you can transform yourself into an AI avatar. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your plan. You can start by visiting the custom AI avatar and voice cloning page of Wondershare Virbo. Just click on the link in the description of this video, and you'll find 3 different plans there. The Avatar Customization Lite is perfect if you're just starting out. It lets you create a basic AI avatar. If you just need a replica of your voice, then voice cloning is the right plan for you. For the ultimate personalization, this 3rd plan comes with both advanced avatar customization and voice cloning. Choose the plan that aligns best with your needs. If you select either the Lite plan or the voice cloning plan, you'll have access to your AI avatar privately for 1 year. If you're not already a member, you can purchase an additional Virbo membership purchase by clicking here on the website. You can choose from all these plans and start creating videos with your AI avatar and cloned voice. Step 2. Submit your video files and consent. Once you've selected your plan, the next step is to submit your video files. This is where you provide the material for your avatar. You can find detailed instructions and samples on the website. Just click here to download them and carefully read them before you start. Then, set yourself up and record a video of yourself according to the guidelines. You'll also need to record a short consent statement with it. Once you complete the recording process, upload both files to Google Drive and submit the share link in this section. Step 3. AI Training and Delivery. After submitting your files, the Wondershare Virbo team will review the files and begin the AI training process. They'll use advanced AI technology to analyze your video and create an AI avatar that resembles you. The process typically takes between 7 to 10 business days. Once your custom AI avatar is ready, you'll receive an email notification. Your avatar will then be added to your avatar library on Wondershare Virbo. After that, you can start using your custom avatar in your video creations. Whether it's for YouTube content, online presentations, or social media, your AI avatar is ready to represent you. Now, do you still have questions about the consent statement or footage requirements? Don't worry, we are about to get rid of all your questions. The consent statement. When creating your AI avatar with Wondershare Virbo, an important part of the process is providing your formal consent. The consent statement makes sure that both you and Wondershare Virbo agree on the use of your personal footage. But don't worry, it's not anything complicated. You just have to record a short video with spoken consent. Here's an example of what you might say. I'm Henry, hereby declare that I authorize Wondershare Virbo to use my footage of me to create the Wondershare Virbo custom avatar and use it in my Wondershare Virbo account. That's it. Just make a similar looking video and it will be your consent statement. Don't forget to use your full name to identify yourself clearly. Now let's show you what are the requirements for recording the actual footage. Creating an AI avatar with Wondershare Virbo requires specific types of footage. To ensure your avatar accurately reflects you, it's important that you stick to these guidelines when recording your video. Video duration and background noise. Your video should be at least 5 minutes long. This duration allows us to capture your speech patterns and facial expressions fully. Record in a quiet environment to avoid any background noise that could interfere with the quality of the recording. Video quality. Use a professional camera if possible. The higher the quality of your video, the better your avatar will look. We recommend recording at a minimum of 2K resolution. Continuous shot. Do not edit or cut the footage. Your video should be a single, continuous shot to provide an uninterrupted view of your speech and expressions. Body movement. Remain still throughout the recording. You can either stand or sit, but avoid walking around or making sudden, unnatural movements. You should also avoid rapid head movements. Maintain steady eye contact with the camera to get a focused and engaging avatar. Speech and expression. Present your speech naturally and calmly, as the AI will replicate your manners. Any unique gestures or expressions you use will be mirrored by your avatar. Avoid specific gestures. Don't use any hand gestures that have specific meanings. For example, the OK sign, pointing towards something, or showing numbers with your fingers. These can be misinterpreted or hard for the AI to replicate accurately. Pauses. Lastly, start with a 3-second pause before you begin speaking, with your lips closed and eyes focused on the camera. Include natural pauses in your speech during the recording. This pacing helps in creating a more realistic and relatable avatar. Remember, The quality of your avatar heavily depends on how well these guidelines are followed. So get your camera ready, find a quiet spot, and record your footage. But wait a minute, what should be the background of this footage? Let's give you some more tips to select the right shooting environment for this footage. Before you start recording for Wondershare Virbo's AI avatar, it's essential to set up your shooting environment. You have two options. You can either use a green screen or opt for a real-life scene. Each has its benefits. Green screen allows background removal, and you can replace it with any background you need. But before you set a green screen, make sure the green screen is spread evenly to avoid wrinkles, and it covers the entire background visible in the camera frame. This helps in easy background removal. And don't forget to position yourself a few feet away from the green screen to prevent green spills on your clothing or hair and shadows on the green screen. On the other hand, real-life scenes don't support background removal, but it'll look more natural. Ultimately, it can add authenticity to your custom avatar. Just select a location that is visually appealing yet not too busy or distracting. Regardless of the background choice, good lighting is very important. We recommend using 3-point lighting, which includes a key light, a fill light, and a backlight. This setup makes sure that your face is evenly lit without harsh shadows. It also creates a more three-dimensional look, enhancing the quality of the footage. Before you start recording, take the time to test your setup. Check how you look on camera with your chosen background and lighting. Make sure everything is right before you start, so your AI avatar looks as good as it can be. Conclusion. As we wrap up, let's reflect on why having an AI avatar is a valuable tool for video creation. The advantages are numerous and impactful. First, you can think of your AI avatar as a 24/7 employee. It's always ready to work, no matter the time or day. Second, with an AI avatar, you save both time and money. There's no need for continuous shooting sessions. It also reduces the expenses associated with regular video production, like hiring crew and renting equipment. Then, you can forget about setting up the camera, microphone, and the perfect background every time. Your AI avatar needs none of these, simplifying the entire process. Lastly, one of the biggest perks is that you do not need to worry about misspeaking or taking multiple shoots. Your AI avatar will deliver your script perfectly every time. So are you getting interested in these possibilities? Just get yourself a custom AI avatar from Wondershare Virbo. In our next video, we'll show you how to clone your voice using AI. This will add another layer of personalization to your digital content. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. This journey into AI-driven content creation is just beginning, and we're excited to have you with us.